Hey everybody, Black Ninja 797 here, and welcome back to another video. Now this is actually going to be a very video because this actually was a gameplay that I did record live, but I actually was tryharding during this clip that you're watching right now. This was the streak that I actually ended up getting where I was able to make a comeback for my team and win the game. But I had to concentrate really hard to get this, so I actually was completely dead silent. And really all it was just gameplay audio and audio of my friends when we were in a party. So I actually wanted to just commentate over at least this initial beginning part right before I got my kill streaks, just so you guys didn't, listen about Red Dead, stuff, because literally that's all it was, just Jake and Tennessee talking about like Red Dead and Arthur Morgan and Morther, and it just would have been, meme central. So I just decided just to commentate over this initial beginning part. But in general, like, I'm enjoying Black Ops 4. I'm just kind of uploading it casually, as you guys know. I'm not really necessarily trying the hardest at it, although I am starting to get more and more into it. That's why I am uploading more and more Black Ops 4. It's just because in general I'm starting to get more into the game, and plus also a lot of the updates have helped it ever since launch. The game just really wasn't quite, for me. It was just kind of just like something that I played casually, kind of like Call of Duty World War II. But now that they've fixed a couple things and tweaked a couple things, which I will maybe go in depth in another video, but at least not today, they did tweak some things, so I'm actually going to go for Dark Matter now and try to get Prestige Master, so hopefully that will be fun, and we can end up sweating at Black Ops 4 like we did with any other Treyarch COD game. But this is pretty much going to be the end of the commentary, because this is where the streak's actually about to get started, or like really pop off. I was just playing as Torque on Slums and just having a TDM and just playing casual against Sweats, but was able to bring it back. So hopefully you guys end up enjoying this gameplay. Let me know your thoughts, opinions on what you've been thinking over Black Ops 4 over the last couple of, like, I think it's been ever since October, like, 5th or something. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are after Black Ops 4 after the last 2 months. And let me know just in general, like, whether or not you want to see some more Black Ops 4. Anyways, guys, it's today's intro. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Alright, call in Sniper's Nest. Oh god, I need a gun. Gimme.
Alright, let's watch Black Ninja 797 premiere.
Thank you. Appreciate you, kill streaks.
No problem, you're welcome. I like this.
Oh, guns trying to be.
Video has me. I'm gonna put in your casual comment as well. That vengeance guy is cool. There we go.
Nice.
Gonna like my own comment, get the ball rolling.
Yes. I like how
Mr.
Mr. Marston is hiding behind a wagon trying to be a papa.
Oh damn, I got killed.
Sensor going live.
Yeah, I'm gonna control the Vance to see how good it is when you control. I'm pretty sure it's better, just like the servers was. It's a lot better. Holy crap! I just blew up the dog.
And I repeatedly study chickens.
We're almost there.
I want my
'Cause they're
entire
chickens.
channel to be full of chickens. I want the entirety of my journal.
Okay, the Mantis is such a good kill streak. I understand why this is like 10 kills now.
Hostile TAC deploy beacon online.
Enemies, there you are. Oh my god, you made such a big mistake putting that spawn beacon there.
Getting harder for the OG players to stay OG.
Let's go.
Mercs think
Where'd I go?
trying that again.
25 and 5, I'll take it. Woo!
Give self a little woo.